there, kids? It's Boiler Room Joe. I'm here stuck inside because of the coronavirus, just like you are. And boy, oh boy, if you're anything like me, you're really worried about how you're going to put on a scrumptious feast for Easter. Well, I gotta tell you, I thought long and hard about this because I can't be going to the grocery store. I'm social distancing. So how am I going to make a scrumptious Easter brunch with just what I have in my fridge? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it on today on Cooking with Boiler Room Joe title card. Cooking with Boiler Room Joe. Of course, the first step, whenever you cook, is to wash your hands. So let's do that right now. I'm going to stop the spread of the virus. Going to get my hands wet with some warm water. I'm going to turn the water off. This is dish soap and hand soap. Isn't that clever? Gonna get some on my hands. I'm gonna scrub for 20 seconds. And over keep time, I'm gonna sing one of my favorite songs. Gonna take a lot to take me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more can ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had. Now I gotta scrub clean. Woo-wee. You gotta be sure to, I'm lucky enough to have some paper towels. Gonna get my hands dry. Now that my hands are clean, let's talk about what we're making. Nothing says Easter like some rabbit pie. Now I remember when I was there growing up on the farm in Tennessee with my pal Santa Claus, and we had all kinds of rabbit pie. I'm gonna show you how to make rabbit pie without going to the rabbit store. All right, first thing we're gonna need a big old mixing bowl. Just like that. Oh! Now the first thing a rabbit pie needs, of course, is a crust. Well, you gotta have a pie without a crust. So we're gonna throw in 1 piece of crust, 2 pieces of crust, 3 pieces of crust. I hauled these out earlier. Lots of crust. This will be a crusty pie. Mix it all together. Get your hands in there. Good thing we washed it. Woo-wee! Second thing we need, of course, is some rabbit. Now, if you're like me and you can't get to the rabbit store, good thing it's Easter and you can use some rabbit-shaped peeps. So there's 1 rabbit, another rabbit, woo, a 4th rabbit, woo. That's a 4th rabbit. I count 4 twice. I don't believe the number 3. A 5th rabbit, a 9th rabbit. There's a lot of numbers I don't believe in, and this one's for me. Yummy video editing. All right, we got our crust. We got our rabbit. We got to keep these rabbits nice and happy in their pie, so we're gonna give them something to eat. So I got some carrots. What's up, Doc? Boom. Carrot for the rabbits, and another carrot for the rabbits. That's how we do it. How you feeling there, rabbits? We're feeling fine, Joe. Yum, yum, yum. Thanks for the carrots. You want to eat good, that what you eat has also got to eat good. All right. Now, my favorite part of pie is that it is nice and sweet. And what's Boiler Room Joe's favorite sweet thing? Some carrot in my mouth. Root beer. So we're going to add in just here's your can of root beer. Look at that pour. Or you can just, boom, throw the whole thing in. Now that we got our crust, our rabbit food, and our root beer, what's next? All right, ramen. Now I got a ton of this stuff at home, and I'm throwing this so I have enough ramen in my belly to finish it. Oh, you hear that pun? But I'm actually gonna need a hand with this ramen, so I'm gonna set that down. I'm gonna throw that away. Let's bring out a hand for this ramen. This hand, to be specific, woo-wee, USA. And with this hand, I'm just gonna, oh man! You doing okay, hand? I hope so. Woo-wee! Oh man, I'm gonna have to glue that back together. But let's take all that ramen and get it in here. So I have enough ramen in my belly to finish this here pie. And of course, the last thing we need, I did not expect the hand to break like that. Woo-wee! I'm sorry there, Mr. Hand. Oh, I forgive you. Oh, thank you. You know, Easter's a good day for forgiveness. We all need it. Oh, okay. Last thing, of course, is we're making a pie, so we better add some pie in. Okay, 3.1492. Although I forgot there's a 1.5 in the middle there, but that's okay. This is cooking, not bad. Woo! Last thing we gotta do is we gotta throw this here puppy in the oven. All right. And I'm just gonna put the timer on. Now, normally this would take a while to finish, but through the magic of video editing, it can be finished right away. Ooh, let's see how that pie turned out. Would you take a look at that? It looks store. Let's try a piece. Well, you wanna have some, Mr. Hand? I think you deserve some after that. Oh, they full bore on it. Let's take that pie. Yummy. Rabbit pie. Our favorite. You want some? Oh, Joe. Don't copy anything you just saw here. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.